Again, congratulations to CR7 Food Truck Football Club. Ay, may picture pa tayo. Congratulations to the champion of our United Warriors, CR7 Food Truck Football Club.
Azul versus Solido, field number 5. Please proceed now. Field number 5, Azul versus Solido.
The 2026 Gator Cup is brought to you by Gatorade, Pepsi Cola, Echelon Medical and Wellness Center, Goodfellas, Imprints Advertising, Mooney Mixology Kitchen, Coliseo Davao, Momo's Comfort Food. Our secondary sponsors, thank you to Queso Avenue, MMP Roofings, Milestone, Sarate Manila, The Seed Cafe, Sweet Travel and Tours, Postal Department Multimedia Services, and Holy Stinks.
We also proudly acknowledge our secondary sponsors.
Field
MMP
number
Roofings,
5. Proceed na mo, Azul FC. I know.
Sponsors, thank you for fueling the passion, supporting our athletes, and making this tournament possible.
Field number 5, Azul versus Davao del Sur United. Azul versus Davao del Sur United. Field 4, Solido FC versus Orlando A. Solido FC versus Orlando A, field number 4. For semi-final game, Men's Open, field number 6, CR7 Food Truck versus Black Knights. CR7 Food Truck versus Black Knights. Field number 6, Men's Open semi-final game, CR7 Food Truck versus Black Knights. Field number 5, last and final call, Orlando B versus Azul FC. Correction. Azul FC versus Davao del Sur. Azul FC versus Davao del Sur United, last and final call, field number 5. Sa middle na field. Last and final call, Azul FC versus Davao del Sur. Sige lang, may panulo pa referee. 3. After sa championship penalty shootout, Solido and Orlando A.
Sure lang din. Nice one din. Salanjed, Salanjed. Salanjed.
Semi-final game for Men's Open. Please proceed now. CR7 Food Truck versus Black Knights. CR7 Food Truck versus Black Knights. Please proceed to field 6 now and start the game. Double time lang kamay kay Captain Taglinit.
Douglas, ito nga kada kunin mo. Para pili na lang ba? Pili na lang mga asikaso. Kapay lang tako. Ay, nasilig kayo. Pinapagamay na yung asikaso.
Congratulations to our U15 champion, KTS. Makikita lang sa field.
Calling all players for U15, please proceed at the stage for the awarding. Thank you.
For 40 above category, field number